Hi guys, so today I'm at my friend's office, Autopal. When we think about offices, what we think is professionalism and productivity. What we miss almost times is the intelligent sound that really matters. You know what? Music in offices isn't just background noise anymore. If I'm coming in morning to the office, literally evening should feel different, right? So that you work with all your energy. This is where Trinkbox in-store AI come in. In an office like Autopal, what AI means is focused instrumental music during work hours, premium ambient music during client visits, and light uplifting music in common areas. So that is how AI music works. And that is what Trinkbox in-store AI music is. Now, let me show you how the screen works and how the website looks like. Okay, now we'll directly jump to the home screen of Springbox.com. That is our main screen and the website which I'm talking about. So now, the first thing is this is how the home screen looks like. I'm gonna adjust the temperature to approximately 17 degrees, which is the light temperature here, and then the humidity, which is approximately 25%. Now, the venue type will remain of the office space, definitely. Then the weather condition, which is currently foggy here. Then time of day as the morning, because I am shooting this in morning, and let's see what music it plays according to morning. And now I'm gonna tell you one thing. It changes the music depending upon every weather condition, every time of day, and every day of the week, even the temperature and humidity. Because obviously, temperature in morning will be different as well as the music. So, yeah, this is how it works. Now, we have selected everything, and if you want it to detect the weather and live conditions automatically, then you can click fill for me and it will detect it manually. And so you don't need to do anything there. Now we click generate perfect music because this is our sign to generate the perfect music for your venue. Let's click it and see what happens. Yeah, so now it's processing everything. This is how it takes the input, every input that you have put there, right? So what it's taking into account is the temperature, humidity, venue types, and literally everything what you have filled in the previous screen. So now this is how the music it's generated by Drinkbox in-store AI music. You can listen to the music. You can definitely tell me in the comments if it's suiting the office space or not. And if it's suiting the morning time, the foggy weather, because everything is taken into consideration. It also shows you the neuroscience effect as you can see on the screen, the customer impact it creates. Literally increases the engagement by 15 to 16%, and that's crazy, right? Because even 1% counts when you are estimating the customer impact. So, this is it. It always takes into consideration the BPM, danceability, and everything of the song that is playing. So, you can test everything. Trust me, get the subscription and change the vibe of your venue. You'll see. You'll see the difference for yourself. Thank you so much.